I feel like this is a fun, like easy one to do. Are the parts perfect? No. Will they do? Absolutely. Hey guys, my name is Kenyatta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, then what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? So we are doing some more natural hairstyles today. So let's just get into it. We got 3 more styles we're gonna do today. I have my Shining Jam. I have my Don't Shrink, Aunt Jackie. We have, our tools, brush, edge control brush, comb, some hair ties, and some rubber bands. And of course the mist bottle. So the hair is already pretty much parted for the first hairstyle. So let's do it. Alright guys, so this is style number 1. It's literally just 2 high buns. Yeah. So I feel like this is a fun, like easy one to do. Are the parts perfect? No. Will they do? Absolutely. Alright, so let's get into the next hairstyle, which is also 2 ponytails, but instead of on the top, we're gonna pull our buns to the back.
Now what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 That you know it's real, but you know it's you gotta get 2 times too fast to feel. 'Cause you claim you see things.
Okay, so this is hairstyle number 2. Basically the same thing. If you want to do like the 2 ponytail look, but you don't, I know I look like a kid either way, but it does make you look much younger. But like if you don't want it like up on your top of your head because of the tension, you can pull them to the back. You can also wear them as ponytails. Like you don't have to do the buns either way, but you can do this on yourself. You can do this on your kids, like whoever is feeling it. So this is number 2. Okay, we are on our last one. Hairstyle number 3.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I would never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I did it myself. Hey, I know that I would never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I beat myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, girl, it's hard to see enough. It was
was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style?
Okay, so that's the gist of this hairstyle. It's mainly just doing the pieces in the front, and then like you can take it from there kind of thing, like whatever you decide to do. Because I did my hair like this last week and I felt like it was like somewhat of a protective hairstyle, because you can just do whatever with the back of your hair. Like you could do this is how I did it the first day, as far as just wearing it like out as like day one hair. So this was like what the end result was, just like big whatever you can get as like, you know, as you want to with this. Because obviously there's some pieces from like, it wouldn't look like this if, you know, I'm doing multiple hairstyles all in one. But if I was just like aiming to do this one, then obviously it wouldn't have so much like frizz going on, because I brushed out everything. But I feel like it's not bad frizz, you know. But yeah, so this is how my hair was for day one. I just wore it big like this. Then like as the week went on, I started doing other stuff. Like I put my hair all the way up like this, you know, pineapple. You could break it up if you wanted to, kind of similar to the hairstyle I did, and do like 2 buns, 2 ponytails, just like whatever you want to do there. And then when I was filming, I did some up, some down. So there I go again, some up, some down, half up, half down, whatever you want to call it. I just mainly pulled the pieces of hair that made the little sectioned off hair and did that. Honestly think that's what I'm gonna go with. Out of all of them, I think I like that the most, is the half up, half down. Lazo. Yeah, I feel like this one's fun because, like I said, the end result is whatever you make it. Like whatever, like once you get like your pieces in the front, this is what that looks like. Then you just freestyle it. But I think we're gonna leave it like this. All right, guys. So that was the 3 hairstyles. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna keep creating more. I think there's just endless possibilities with natural hair. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah.